Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete LinkedIn account permanently. Firstly, on the LinkedIn homepage, click Me in the top toolbar. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. In the left menu, go to Subscriptions and Payments. Then click Manage Premium Account. Choose to cancel your premium subscription if you have it. Now go back to Settings and Privacy, navigate to Account Preferences on the left and scroll down, then click Close Account. Select a reason for closing, then click Next. Now enter your LinkedIn password to confirm. LinkedIn will permanently delete your profile, connections and messages. You'll receive an email confirmation once your account is closed. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.